Hey, welcome to Jonez Garage. This is episode 16. Let's get to it. I got the center marked on the cowl, I got the center marked on the core, and I got the center marked on the grill. Shot a laser down all three, line the grill up, tighten it back up. So now that this grill is 100% where I want it, it's time to move on to the next step. So these doors are pretty close to where I want them. I put them on years ago, but now I want to make the final minor adjustments to get them exactly where I want them to be before I start messing with the fenders. So I took a plastic shim, and I'm going to want my gaps to be 3/16. So I cut this down so this is 3/16 thick. And I at least just want to have the closest spot. Like, it's not all going to be perfectly 3/16 all the way down. I'm going to weld all the edges on the doors, all the way on all the panels, and grind back to make my 3/16 gap. But this is just a starter point. Like, I'm going to get just at least one spot at about 3/16. And I also am going to use this piece of aluminum. It's 1/8 inch. And this will help me line the panel up, make sure it's flush, flat. So these are two things I'll be using. So you can see the door's kind of low. The striker actually pulls it up a little bit. So I'm gonna adjust this door, bring it up a little bit. I don't want the striker pulling it up every time. So now that the door is where I want it, let's mess with the fender. So we got the driver door, driver fender, and the grill right where we want them. So that's going to wrap it up for this week's episode. I'll see you guys next Sunday.